The event I'm organizing is ACMP's third annual More Than Networking event. It's going to be held on Friday, November 27th from 6:30 p.m. till 9 p.m. And the goal of this event is to provide a platform for Afro-Caribbean Black and racialized students to build and work on their own network. So the event structure is as follows. The event will begin with a basic introduction. We're going to talk about ACMP, who we are, what our goals are. And then we are going to have two guest speakers, at which point we will also introduce professionals from a variety of disciplines. Those disciplines range anywhere from education to real estate, entertainment, politics, and government. Once they introduce themselves and talk about who they are and what they do, we're going to break out into specific rooms. And each room is going to have a separate category of professional. So once students are able to choose the rooms in their areas of interest, they will have one-on-one time with those professionals where they'll be able to ask them questions about what it's like to work in the work environment that they're in, how do they get to that point, and what steps can they take to build their own networks.